This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting devices ready. Make sure your Apple TV or AirPlay 2 capable TV and your Mac or iPhone are on the same Wi-Fi network, and open iMovie. Once done, check iOS or Mac OS updates so AirPlay works reliably. Outdated firmware breaks streaming. If Wi-Fi is flaky, plug Apple TV into the TV with HDMI and keep the iMovie project open. This reduces lag and gives you a fallback. Now you're set to initiate casting. Now cast the movie. On iPhone or iPad, tap the Share button in iMovie, choose AirPlay, and select your Apple TV or AirPlay 2 TV. This streams video and audio directly. On a Mac, use the AirPlay icon in the menu bar or go to System Preferences, right arrow displays to mirror or extend, then play from iMovie. If using HDMI, switch the TV to the HDMI input and press play in iMovie. This ensures correct resolution and keeps audio. To finish, control playback using iMovie on your device. Use the TV remote for volume and confirm the project's export quality if you see stutter. If you lose connection, make sure both devices remain on the same network, restart the router, or reconnect to AirPlay. Those steps usually fix handshake issues. As a last resort, switch to a wired HDMI connection. This eliminates wireless latency and guarantees smooth audio and video playback. That one troubleshooting step solves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.